Cessna, he flew out across the street and turned around, and now he's back on my head just harassing me. So now he's flying back over my house. Now he's coming up on the back right corner of 24162's lot. Pulses. Now he's turning right. He's just gonna stay on my roof and do circles. And so this is also to cover up for the event that they've been trying to cover up for recently with the low circles all around my house, which was the same Captain Sully dude. Well, it was just a civilian. So now he went back right there, and now he's turned over my roof, and he's right here, headed towards the fireman's house. He just crossed over the back wall into the fireman's backyard. Now he's right there. And so he's just gonna keep turning and doing circles here.